Alright then, this is the GT Master Edition. This is the best flagship design that we've ever made. Realme GT Master Edition features an award-winning suitcase design created by Naoto Fukasawa. On the inside, it is powered by latest Snapdragon 778G 5G processor coupled with a 120Hz Super AMOLED display along with 65-watt Super Dart charge and a 64-megapixel camera with the world's first street photography mode to help you capture better photos and tell better stories. Coming to the cameras, the Realme GT 5G boasts a 64-megapixel Sony triple camera setup with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a capable macro lens. We have also added a number of functional improvements to photos, portraits, videos and other commonly used features. Realme GT 5G also has smart night modes that allow you to take even better nighttime photos and videos. The addition of a new generation of pure raw night mode algorithm with noise cancellation brings sharper and clearer images in super night scale. Summing it up, let's take a look at the key features of the flagship killer of 2021 Realme GT 5G. The Realme GT features Snapdragon's latest flagship processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 with the most advanced 5nm process. A trend-setting design with jaw-dropping innovations in both looks and ergonomics. Powerful charge and capacity delivered by 65-watt Super Dart charge on a 4500 mAh large battery. And lastly, a Sony 64-megapixel triple camera setup for breathtaking night shots. Oh hey, did I tell you? We didn't miss the 3.5mm headphone jack either. Alright then, that was all from the GT series.
Realme GT Master Edition will be available in 3 different variants. 6GB 128GB priced at Rs 25,999, 8GB 128GB priced at Rs 27,999 and 8GB 256GB priced at Rs 29,999 and comes in the cosmic color of Voyager Grey, Luna White and Cosmos Black. With the Flipkart Smart Upgrade program, buyers can pay just 70% of the total cost and purchase the 6GB 128GB variant at just Rs 18,199, the 8GB 128GB variant at just Rs 19,599 and 8GB 256GB variant at just Rs 20,999. You can still avail all the bank offers on top of it, making it further more affordable.